Hello and welcome to another quick video on my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a little repair to be done to my car, the Volvo C30. I've owned this car about 10 years now, 11 years actually, and it's had a couple of issues over the years, but nothing major. In fairness, it's been doing pretty well. I've noticed lately there's been a problem inside there on the driver's seat. Now this is quite prominent with these cars. The material that they used for the seats doesn't endure very well, and I've got this problem now, and I think if left it's going to get worse. So I've considered a number of options. The rest of the seats, the driver's seat and the ones in the back, the passenger seat, sorry, the ones in the back are in A1 condition. They're really good, but obviously most wear and tear is here, and it's gone there. There's no easy fix for this. Apologies for being dressed like an Eskimo today, but it's about -2 outside in the daytime now. It's the middle of February here in Wales. We haven't had any snow yet really, but it is absolutely freezing. Dropped down to over -8 last night. So yeah, dressed like an Eskimo. So yeah, as I said, I've looked at a couple of different options for sorting the seat out. One was to get the entire car re-upholstered. That's quite an expensive option. I could buy another seat on eBay, but there's no guarantee that I'm going to get a better seat, if that makes any sense. You know, I could buy a seat and it looks fine on eBay, and when it turns up then it's going to be a used seat, so I don't really think that's a best option. I consider putting covers on, but then that's only temporary. So the option I've come up with, I've managed to find a company that re-upholster car seats. So that's where I'm going now. I'm heading over to drop the car off. The company have sourced some material and have created a new bottom part for the seat, and they're going to take the seat out, re-upholster the bottom of the seat and put it back together for me. So here we are then, fast forward 48 hours and job is done. I've had the car back from a company today. I use a company called Stitch It Up Gear, who are based over in Kevin near Cross Hands. Great company in fairness to them. Like I say, very fast turnaround with the job. And they've sent me a set of photos across to show me exactly what they had to do, which was simply, obviously the battery had to be disconnected, seat out of the car completely, bottom cover then was removed, and they've carefully unstitched the right hand side bolster, replaced it, stitching a new one back in, and then reverse the process and getting it all in. I'm very happy with the result, in fairness. As you can see, as good as new, or better than new actually, because this is an older seat. Excuse the dirt on there, that's actually been cleaned recently, but it's dirt has gone into it. I need to get this polished up and nourished, but they've managed to find a second-hand seat bolster that was in good nick. But from what I understand, they took a seat and they took the skin stuff from the back. This stuff is weird. It's a Volvo specific one, and it's almost like neoprene, like a wetsuit kind of material. Very hard to come by, and it's quite prone to go in. I've seen a number of these seats on forums now where they've ripped there or they've ripped across here. It's just where you're getting in and out of the car with buttons on your seat, so be very careful. Certainly I'm going to try and look after this one a lot better now going forward, because I would imagine as time passes and these cars get older, it's going to get a bit more difficult to source parts to fix things like that. As you can see, my car is in need of a clean. So there we are, that's the end of this video. I hope you've found some use out of that. If you did enjoy it, please take the time to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll leave in the comments section below, I'll leave a link to the company if you are from this area and you need something similar done. They come Stitch It Up Gear, they're called, well recommended, and I'm really happy that this job has been done in the time and to that standard. So thank you very much for watching once again. Cheers.